Close laps in
Go up.
2:45. Heat 1 round 16. Target laps is 41. Here we go.
Alright, we need to make 42 in 2 minutes and 45 seconds. And we're off. Getting groove here.
Ready. 9.3. Co-op lap 1.
Dave's fan is in the way.
Co-op lap 2. ET 11.6. Co-op lap 3. Ready. 8.7. Co-op lap 4. David 10.6. Co-op lap 5. ET 9.8. Co-op lap 6.
Tracking you, Dave.
Ready.
Oh, I was tracking you. Too close to that pole.
ET 10.4. Co-op lap 8.
Dave's back on his feet.
19.4. Co-op lap 9. ET 9.8. Co-op lap 10. Ready. 18.3. Co-op lap 11.
Hope you like left-hand turns.
David 10.5. Co-op lap 13.
Trying to get ahead of me.
ET 8.9. Co-op lap 14. Ready. 17.5. Co-op lap 15. ET 9.1. Co-op lap 15. Ready. 8.8. Co-op lap 17. David 22.9. Co-op lap 18. ET 9.3. Co-op lap 19. Ready. 9.3. Co-op lap 20. David 12.3. Co-op lap 21. ET 8.9. Co-op lap 22. Ready. 8.9. Co-op lap 23. ET 8.9. Co-op lap 24.
24.
Co-op lap 25. 1 minute. Ready. 14.0. Co-op lap 26. ET 9.1. Co-op lap 27. David 12.3. Co-op lap 28.
Oh, I got a good one with that, Randy. Then I crashed myself.
Come on, guys.
ET 9.0. Co-op lap 30. David 15.8.
Oh!
Co-op 31.
That's the wall.
25.8. Co-op lap 32. 30 seconds.
30 seconds. We can do it. We can do it.
David 9.7. Co-op lap 34. ET 9.0. Co-op lap 35. David 9.3. Co-op lap 36. Randy 19.6. Co-op lap 37. 10 seconds.
Oh no.
8.5. Co-op lap 38. David 9.7. Co-op lap 39. Randy 8.7.
Oh.
ET 8.7. Co-op lap
Oh well.
Rick Dunn. Co-op lap
Oh.
38.
Nice!
Co-op lap count is 41.
Oh.
David 9.6. Randy 13.0. David 9.3.
Who'd I hit? David? Is that you, Dave?
Huh? No, you hit me.
I hit you? Oh, good.
Sent me flying.
I didn't fare so well myself.
Randy 21.9. ET
Come on, that was fun.
3.4.
How many laps are you going to fly 40 laps? How many races are you going to fly 40 laps in?
Well, we didn't fly 45.
Well, we did before. Oh, does that count? Let's see. Oh. What happened here? We made... Previous was 41. Oh, we tied it. 41-41.
Yeah.
Oh. If you could have just done one more
Only.
lap, Dave.
Only.
Either of you.
Only
Any
I
of
would've
us.
crashed. Only I hadn't crashed.
Oh, look at this though. I had 17 laps. You guys both had 12. So I think we know what happened.
Yep. Yep. For once, we didn't carry it.
And, oh no, Randy had the fastest lap. Randy's fastest was 8.0, my fastest was 8.5, Dave's fastest was 9.3. But I had the best average, 9.3.
Aren't you special?
I am special.
Special for you.
You guys' averages were garbage, boy. Your average were like 13 second average. I mean, come on. Pick it up, all right? All right. Yeah.
Yeah.